So y'all, we are at Chilhowee Park. Today is going to be a good day. We're going to send it. It's our homecoming event. They've got the track laid out over there. You can't really see it from over here, but we'll walk over here and look at the track. So it's going to be the same as we did last year. Basically, we start here, Manji through here, go all the way up through here, come around, go back over this way, go down a hill, come back up, and then go around through here, and then make a circle, and then come out, and we're done. So that's gonna be the track today. It's an awesome track. If you haven't checked my Instagram, there's some videos of us doing it last year. It was a pretty cool track, and this is where East 10 started, so we're gonna have a lot of people here. Everybody's hyped on this event. This was where they had their first drift event and many others afterwards, but we eventually lost the venue, so now we've got it back. Hey dude!
Hey dude!
What are you doing?
Stuff.
Rickamus, what are we doing today?
I guess we're gonna do some shreds.
Are we gonna send it?
Day. I always send it, you know me.
We're gonna hit some door-to-door tandems today?
Yes, I was gonna say, I don't want to say hit some doors because I prefer not to. But
well, we'll just hit quarter panels then, because you're good at that.
Again,
obviously.
right. Hey dude, dog, what are you doing here? I was just eating.
So the one thing about this event that really stinks is that we are not allowed to start the cars until 10:30. So we had to roll the car off the trailer and then put it in our spot. And the reason why is because, as you can see, we're surrounded by city life. And I guess they have some sort of noise ordinance that will not allow us to do that until a certain time of the day. So that's one thing that stinks about this venue, but this venue is sick.
All right, good morning. Welcome to Chilhowee Park. It's Louis.
Louis taking over the show, so you're not going to be able to hear me. Thanks, Louis.
Back here in Knoxville, Tennessee, where it all started. Pretty excited for the day. We're going to get started.
You ready, dude? Can you see?
sounds good.
Alright guys, so we've done a lot of laps now. I haven't been vlogging a whole lot, which is normal. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I think it's due to the fact that I'm very shy when I'm out in public. I look like a weirdo just holding a camera, videoing myself, so that's why I don't do a whole lot of vlogging when there's a lot of people around. But this track is awesome. I am so happy to be here. Tons of people are getting ride-alongs and having fun and stuff, so that's what makes it fun for me, just to get out here and see how people react to being in the car. And we got some BMW enthusiasts out here taking ride-alongs and stuff and getting ideas for their car, so that's why we like to do it. So, but we're about to go back out.
That was good.
Oh my gosh, no wonder I sucked. Wasn't on the right boost level.
Sucky comes right up there.
Like 3,000. What up, guys? We are at La Fiesta to eat some food, and I about died. Ketone just pulled in. An OG drifter here.
Guys, party's here.
Party's
Yeah.
here.
We were worried.
Oh! Yeah, going on the vlog. It's going on the vlog.
Yes.
It's going on the vlog. Oh, Mr. OG got to drift a G today.
Yeah.
Did you?
How'd you talk somebody into letting you wreck their car?
It's Kate's car.
So?
I used to let Kate pick my SC up from the house and take it to Nashville when I was out of town. Hey, Scott!
Terry, Robert, Brian. Hey, hey, I didn't see you at all today.
I know, I think
What are you, Rylan?
Like,
You want a kid's chicken and fries?
And then I started just running.
You want a kid's chicken and fries?
Yeah, no. And then I didn't see you again either, so.
Hey, salute guys. Thank you for an awesome day.
Yeah.
Awesome day.
Yeah.
Bring it back home.
Hey, did I win the prize?
never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up.